Before you guys go ahead and place your orders with card or PayPal, I want to show you one more thing, and that is discounts. We haven't created a single discount, and I want to do it now. Let's go ahead and click that create discount button. These are the discounts that our customers will be able to use at the checkout when they're ordering food from us. And we can write anything here. This is the unique key that they will have to type, the actual discount code. I will call it Breeze15. You can type anything you want. And it's going to be 15%. So anyone who types this code will get 15% discount if they order for at least 20 euros. Otherwise, the discount won't work. So this is the minimum order value. And I want to also say that there is a usage limit of 1. So it can only be used once per single customer. And I will say there is no expiration date. So you can use it whenever you want. We just say save. And here we have our discount credit. Now let's switch to our phone to place the order, and there is this button redeem voucher. I'm going to click it and type in the discount code that we just created. So our customers would type them. Breeze15, and I should get my discount. It says 15% discount has been applied. You can see it minus 5.52 euros there. And let's go ahead, pick the time. I want this one to be delivered as soon as possible. And I will pay first with PayPal. Let me show you guys how to pay with PayPal. I'm just going to confirm, and we have this PayPal button. Once we click on it, we'll be proceeded to pay with PayPal. I have it in German, guys, but I think you will have it in English for sure. So click that complete payment button, complete purchase, and you're going to be brought back to orders tracking view once the payment is successful. This is how we have our first PayPal order completed. I'm quickly now placing another order. This time I selected card as a payment method, and you can see the card input fields. I'm gonna go ahead and type in my card fields, guys. Therefore I'm gonna hide it. You can try it out yourself, and then I'm gonna click pay, and the payment went through successfully. So we placed order with the card. And by the way, if your customer is gonna be using Android phone to order and they have Google Wallet enabled, they will have this Google Pay option out of the box. You don't have to do anything additionally to configure that. And if your customer is going to use iPhone, they will have this Apple Pay option additionally, which is much easier for your customers to pay. They're just going to one button click and they immediately can make the transaction.